Hey everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Boardwalk and the Wildwood Video Archive, and right now we're outside the old Wildwood Energy Plant. That's right, you probably did not know that this building even existed. It's located on Spencer and New Jersey Avenue, and it may just look like it's just one building, but believe it or not, it's the entire block, and they used to have 3 smokestacks in the back. Now I'll tell you why I'm here after you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now the reason why I'm here is because the future of this building looks like it's not going to be here much longer. Atlantic City Electric owns this entire building and they don't need it. There's no reason for them to keep it. Billows used to be in here and then they got evicted by Atlantic Electric. And so more than likely they're going to sell this or knock it down. So I wanted to go ahead and take a couple pictures and videos just for history, because here, let me show you actually what it used to look like years ago. Here, check this out. And that's courtesy of the Wildwood Historical Society. Pretty cool, right? And I mean, now it looks so different. One interesting fact is for the past 2 decades, they allowed Wildwood to store one of their original trams or trolleys. Because believe it or not, back in the old days, trolleys used to run the streets of Wildwood. And if you don't believe me, here's a clip. This is true. This is actually in Wildwood. Check it out. So that's crazy that we used to have trolleys and trams. But anyway, there's an original one that just came out of here to get refurbished and actually restored, leaving this building to sit empty. There's nothing in here. Now I did reach out to Atlantic Electric to see if we could take a tour of the building. Fingers crossed, hopefully we will. They still don't know what they're gonna do yet with this. Personally, could you imagine turning this into a restaurant? This would be cool if you can make this a brewery of some kind. You should totally do that. Someone buy it and do that, because I think that would be fantastic. But anyway, I have the drone. I'm gonna go ahead and take it up and get some pictures. There's a lot of wires, so I can't do as much, and it's a little bit windy, so I apologize in advance. But let's get this bird up. So what do you guys think we should do with this building? Knock it down, build houses, put a restaurant inside there, or I don't know. I mean, I want to know what you guys think. Go ahead and comment below, and if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you guys